It seems appalling that someone who would lose their job in the middle of a pandemic would also lose their health care. And doesn't this seem to make Medicare for all or a single-payer health care seem more important to you?
Vice President Biden, what's your view of Medicare for all now? And I know you've had a chance to talk to Senator Sanders about it.
Well, I have. Number one, the quickest way to get that health care is to do two things. In the middle of this pandemic, to make sure that the federal government says no one will have to pay for any cost related to the COVID testing and or follow-up if anything is wrong and you have to be hospitalized. Secondly, there are 26 million people who, in fact, have lost their jobs, that their companies, they paid into a health insurance policy they liked. There's a thing called COBRA. That means that the portion that the company that can no longer pay in their share of that healthcare policy, that would be paid fully by the federal government while this pandemic lasts. Thirdly, the best way to move forward and get it done immediately is to withdraw the lawsuit that the president has to do away with Obamacare and add the public option I am supporting, that I have as part of my plan, making sure that everyone is going to be able to have access to health care at an affordable cost across the board. And those who can't afford it because they're unemployed or don't have a job, they would automatically be enrolled in the public option, which is a Medicare-like option. They would be automatically covered with no cost. It's the quickest, fastest way to get it done.